We're checking out battery operated Sconce. It's remote control driven. You could put it on a night light. It remembers where it leaves off at, and you can increase the light and change the kelvins. And while we're going to show you how easy this is to assemble and do it different ways. You don't have to do it with the V-shaped design. You could do it straight down across or any way imaginable. Let's show you what this product is about. We're reviewing from Cole Wump. It's a battery operated 2 Sconce light. Check online for the size and the colors you're after. Put it in the living room, a bathroom, a hallway, in the RV, in the boat, wherever you need to have a battery operated light. We're going to unbox it, show you how it comes nicely packaged, and here is the box. As we open up, you have the instruction guide laid on top. Please be careful when opening. Go over in detail. Protected by foam is your light with all the hardware. We have washers, round circled grommets, anchors and screws, the included bulbs, E12 long bulbs, the old Edison type COB LEDs. It needs assembly. We have parts to assemble, packaged. In gold, your main fixture and the battery. Your charging USB-C cable. And 2 hanging brackets. And a remote control with optional 2 AAA batteries not included. When unpacking, please be careful of the glass rods. In each of the rods, we have here is glass and gold and clear rods. Carefully pay attention to the rods. We have 2 at 14, 15 and a half, 17, 19, 20 and a half, and 22 and a half. We're given a set of O-rings, grommets, that you have a full set of spare 1.5 times. Each rod is going to take a grommet and they're going to slide on and over carefully. We'll give a nice close-up shot of this sliding on. Grab a grommet, simply roll on and over like so. Repeat this for all the bars. When placing them on, please put them on all the way towards the center. We have the light fixture halfway built from the shortest to the longest. We're going to take the shortest glass bar. We have these rings. We're going to show you how you get them on. You take the ring, place it over the edge, and rotate. That's simple. And then just simply grab and bring down. To take them off, just simply rotate them off. You're going to take the bar, you're going to align it in the hole, and you're going to carefully feel for the next hole, slide through. You're going to either hold the bar with the thumb, place the ring over, and gently rotate it on. And what you're going to do is center it the best you can and bring it down. I apologize for the light going on. And once you get it down and pushed in firmly, proceed to the next one. So let's build the light by grabbing the next shortest one, sliding it in, and continuing the build. You're going to hold the ring and push up to the center. The third one is the gold color one. Slide in, put a ring on. You can hold firmly with your finger and slide up carefully. Your fixture is now completed. You can hang it up with the light bulb facing up and down. Demonstration purposes, we're at the workbench. We're going to hang it up with the bracket. You're given 2 brackets so you can put them in 2 different locations. Simply place on, level, and lock down. Simply take the bracket, place it into the back of the housing like so. You want to make sure you have enough height so you can hang it up and clear. You can turn the unit on by a press of a button underneath. You have the remote control that you're going to add in batteries to your unit. This is the remote control. It has a last recall memory. Turning the unit on at the fullest brightness of 5 to 6 increment levels. We have a night light, the moon. If we want CW, it is the coolest. NW, medium. WW. The increments of 2, 3, 4, 5. At the highest, we have a half an hour timer, a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and locking the timer. If we want to put a 30-second timer to shut off, to walk away, after 30 seconds, the light will shut off. As the 30 seconds, the light is off. The remote control can be placed anywhere in the room. It can be placed behind the unit so it doesn't get lost. It's gold and soft aluminum with glass bars and gold bars. It has 2 lights, battery operated. The battery operated Sconce is a 10,500 milliamp, great for outages and more. It can be hung up just about anywhere imaginable, like we're hanging right here. For hours of use, you do want to check online for further detail of each level, from 10% through 100%, with the different kelvins of 3, 4, and 6,000. We're going to hang up the unit right over here. All we need to do is turn it on by hit the button. Place it on the wall. We'll shut the lights off. We'll dim it down in increments. We'll change the Kelvin to warm and increase it. And we'll go to the 4,000 Kelvin. We will pull it off the wall so we can get the charging cable on. And the increase of light when charging, and it has a red indicator underneath. It can run off of battery operated power while charging, and that's what we're demonstrating here. So if you're looking for a Sconce, put up in a room, emergency lighting, elegant, with glass bars and design, offers enough light, design, see through the glass bars, and more. It takes a few hours to fully charge. Has the light dimmed down just a little bit. Hours of use. Check online for further detail about your product. I hope you enjoy your battery operated indoor Sconce. Check online for further details about the makes and models they offer. Thank you for viewing.